Hey everyone, welcome. Welcome. So excited to have you all here. Today, we are gonna master synchronization with Selenium WebDriver. In this course, you're going to learn everything about synchronization techniques, synchronization problems, how to resolve those using things such as implicit waits, explicit waits, using expected conditions, and using the default wait class. You're going to learn all of those in deep detail. I'm going to take you step by step through everything. Along the way, we're going to have some quizzes and we're going to have a lot of fun. Now, there are some prerequisites for this, and it's not a pure beginner section, but it is kind of an intermediate section where you do require some knowledge. You require basic Selenium WebDriver understanding, right? Like creating a WebDriver instance and using it. You do need a flavor Visual Studio installed. I currently have Visual Studio 2015 with C# 6.0, and therefore I'm going to be teaching you guys on that at the time of this recording. That's what I got, so that's what you're going to be learning. There are also some documentations that I want to point you to, like the WebDriver timeouts by the actual Selenium community, and that's here. There's the WebDriver class in C#, documentation again by Selenium HQ, that's right there. There's the Java WebDriver wait class, that's located here if you did want to take a look at it. Also, I wanted to point you to explicit and implicit waits. That's Selenium HQ again, talks about those. So if you want to get more in depth, you can read that there. And finally, the source code that you're going to be using throughout this entire tutorial is located here at my GitHub account. So I'm going to include all of this with the notes for the course for you to get started, but just in case, I wanted to mention it before we do get started. I'm very excited for you guys to be here, and let's go ahead and dive right into the content.